we get workout partner again and baby. So, we're skipping. Listen, me depend the researching about skipping. Zero. The 30 minutes a day, right in 1 month. I get the calendar to mark off the every day my exercise. Skip. About 30 minutes. Anyways, guys, watch. Regular jump rope. Fuck you, Joe. I'm not exercise now anymore. I'm a body, we need to take off this. I'm gonna exercise now when me like. I thought like 5 6 months. My body can't recover. So, but what I did I stop eating. That's all. So guys, this is what I look like. Turning can go on jump, you know. And mummy fi come. Yes, yeah, the introduction. Mummy fi come and start cause she dep on this journey too. So she needs to come do fear set. But me need to go work by 7:30. And I said 7 something now. You work from home? No, I go up early today. So yeah, you gotta get your belt. It's okay. Belt, they're big roll fi keep the shape of my body. So yeah, that I would know.
I'm ready?
Yeah.
What am I doing? A timer?
Try. You been swimming before? Try go 100 first.
I haven't worked out in a while.
100.
This party already.
You dey come? You dey come?
Yeah, when me decide, man.
Yes, wait till the bunny. You know, see I jump rope with weight. Like 1 pound, half pound.
Not sure I didn't know muscles maybe.
No, I resistance here below. And it's phone too.
Your party are enough resistance.
Murray!
You stop calling, I don't remember how much money.
You pass 100? No. I think so.
Here it is. Let me stop at 100 for you.
No, go as far as I can go 100. Now try this.
So I feel like me just get some guns.
Little. Right now, I'm going to go work out muscle comedy yesterday. We do a little weightlifting. Two.
Come on.
At 88 that means. You have 12 more.
Alright, good. What price are with that?
It better for you.
Move price.
It's a weight heavier.
You say me I can't scout, man?
Better for you to.
Me not try build the guns.
No, me I tell you if you need it to tone. Or to go look flabby.
Malika, and them something you really need to do with the jump rope.
We can't do
And
that.
that.
Not try to
You
get
can't
silent.
do that something you with jump rope.
Can't do that. Practice my practice. Yo, Karina, I'm not even show you. What's that? You feel like contracted? I mean, if you put on the right shoe, come put bottom, feel like you're hurting.
Go up with your knees.
Yeah. Get you one.
Keep you. Good. Left foot. Just keep up one foot. Serve higher.
Oh, there you go. There you go. More shot. Supposed to reach 100 and now. Get 10 more.
We forgot to get my jump rope. I wear one. No, the heavy plastic for real.
Give me one of them, you know. Bone me.
Yeah, cold. Tell me what me I do.
20. Then the video cap.
Melissa, them a can't feel up.
Two leg.
Count at 20.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15.
Move it. Keep up one. Keep it up. Let's keep up it.
These short guys.
Okay, go.
Never feel it. Mommy, say that to Karina. Listen to me now. This thing help you burn and tone. I'll try the 25. I just lift. I don't know what we do. And squat. Oh, and yes. Squat. No, lift up and bend over back. And this the heavy. One. F-O-M. Help with your glutes. Pick up your booty. That too?
Miss Cherry.
I'll tell you the truth. Karina, listen to me. Listen to me.
Alright, Melissa, go on. How much are there? How much that?
50. 10 more.
Oh, yeah, move so slow, man.
Slow, you go better.
Go slow.
With the farm. Make sure you are feeling your glutes right about there. Guys, I got a workout partner. Gang, 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 gang. show me for one bell now, car. You feel it now?
Oh, I'm feeling.
Yes. So like you're wicked, you know. You're waiting. There's just pretend for something in the show, mommy make. You used to say they lie. But when you start go slow with them, come here, triple. Come, let me warm down. Tell me what to do.
You cool down.
Cool down. Fine. You know, back and forth now.
Next time. Down.
You have no calendar out there with your marker? And a big one then.
Maybe, yeah. It's probably can't find one.
Oh, I didn't piece up on the shop door there.
Come here.
You have exercise, ma?
No.
This is a killer now.
Sit down now. Sit down.
Oh, God.
You know. Oh, so you're not sit down properly. Turn up your back.
Oh, shit. We can't carry on my foot. Maybe my foot some more.
Look for me. Look for me. That's a good down. Right down.
We try balance out.
Better.
Carry it forward. Relax. Yeah. Keep it there. Look at you go down further.
Yeah, manage it.
Then,
Foot them mash up.
yeah, man, you mash up yourself.
If you sit it down.
You pain up, man.
Up.
You hear that?
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
Sit down, come on, your mouth.
Come down. That's how me sweat. Up. Yes,
You're there. Crack up.
Oh,
Mommy, I'll make you up tomorrow. I'm skipping more to do. Take off the belly.
so far.
I would have shaved if I
One
was
more
surprised. Guys, see you tomorrow with my co-host. Not tell a lie, no treadmill. I got me a set. So guys, that was my morning workout. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna be doing this like every day, so I'll catch as much of these as possible.